you had Curtis Siwa,
It's amazing.
the beret.
You know who we're talking about? Like an old head who
He's the head of the guardian angels that were like in the 70s and 80s. They didn't think the police were doing such a good job, so they started like a quasi-militia that was kind of like a neighborhood watch, and they would wear like berets on the subway and protect people.
This is all new information.
No,
this is hilarious.
LD doesn't know about this, but the three people that were running was Andrew Cuomo, who was previously accused of sexual assault, and then you had Curtis Siwa, who was the head of the guardian angels that used to run like this militia.
which is hilarious to think, because he like, you know what, that's respectable. You took the law into your hand. You were protecting the subways back then.